Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So last week this police station was demolished. This is the Bull Bay police station. So we are just showing you the actual demolition of the station. So what happened is the Southern Coastal Highway is running from Harborview to Portland. And the section that goes between Harborview and Bull Bay, the two lanes that made up the existing road that made up the old road, they are being upgraded to 4 lanes. So all the structures that were beside the road had to be removed to make space for the new lanes. So this police station had to be removed, and this is the actual process of them removing it or demolishing it. So a new station is to be built. I'm not sure. I've heard 2 stories. I've heard that behind this station there's a lot of land. So I heard that it was going to be built at this same location, just further away from the road. And I've heard another story that it's going to be built at a new location on the main road, the new highway road, when they finish it. So I'm not sure. As soon as we get the official word from the NAA, we will let you know, and we will of course keep you guys updated as to the building of the station. So over 600 structures had to be removed to build this highway. Over 600. And most of the structures that had to be removed were in the Harborview to Bull Bay area, because that's one of the most densely populated areas and one of the most developed. So you had a lot of structures right against the main road. So enjoy the tour or enjoy the rest of the video as they demolish the station. Alright guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Also, we have other videos up of what the area looks like now that the station is removed, because remember, this demolition took place last week. So we have videos up. You can see what it looks like after the structure has been completely removed. Alright guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.